12-year-old girl presents to the physician for evaluation of episodic shortness of breath and cough. These episodes occur more frequently in spring. Her mother has a history of similar complaints. The physical examination reveals bilateral wheezes on chest auscultation. The initial response to pollen consists of IgM production. However, over time, antigen-specific IgE becomes predominant. This change from an IgM to an IgE response is caused by which of the following processes? So the question is asking you which is the process of conversion of IgM to IgE. Your options are option A, allelic exclusion, option B, junctional diversity, option C, affinity maturation, option D, somatic hypermutation, option E, isotypic switching. Okay, so this is here they are talking something about like anaphylactic allergic reaction. Allergic reaction where first initially IgM will be produced because that is the initial response. Okay, so initial response always IgM will be produced, and then a specific response is developed which is antigen specific IgE. Now this process is known as isotype switching, where the variable region is constant, but the constant region which is behind in the antibody is changed to IgE type. So this causes isotype switching from IgM to IgE. This is a common process and it occurs over time, and this responds to allergy. This process progresses to allergy. Okay. So isotype switching is there. Other options, allelic exclusion. Allelic exclusion is when the receptor formation is occurring. So this is not the option. Junctional diversity. Junctional diversity is responsible for new types of receptors. This is not the option. Affinity maturation. Affinity maturation occurs when the when one or more receptors are there and the same antigen is there. So the more better type of receptor is selected out of these antigens. So this is affinity maturation. Somatic hypermutation. Somatic hypermutation is the same process where over time, when a particular antigen is there, the more binding capacity, more tightly binding antigen will be selected from the cells over time. So when the anamnestic response will be given, when the second time antigen will be exposed, at that time there will be a stronger response. So that is somatic hypermutation, and E is isotype switching.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.